everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are having a little treat. I am going to Starbucks to try the new It Frappuccino. So you have to order it, like it's a secret menu item, and you have to order it a vanilla bean Frappuccino with strawberry puree. And then I'm going to show them the picture that I want it to look like that, like blood. Alright? So let's go and see what they can do for me. And welcome back everybody, and we'll see you at Starbucks. Okay, we are headed over to this. Look at how black it is. It's crazy. So we're headed over to this my God, it's like busy Starbucks right over here. So I'm gonna go in because I want to show the picture and give them an insight on what's going on with what I want. And it is a big line, so I'm gonna go in. So wish me luck, and I'll get the It Frappuccinos. Alright folks, this is gone wrong. I did not order, I ordered It off the secret menu with the vanilla bean with the drizzle of strawberry, and this is what I came out with. Totally wrong. I told them, I even showed them a picture, and they didn't do it the way I wanted to. But it's very busy, so I'm not gonna complain. I'm just gonna drink it. But I even showed a picture, and it's like, I mean, I showed them a picture. How can you not go wrong with that? So this was a bust. Let's try this, okay? Let's try this. This is what it's supposed to look like. See how the blood is dripping? This is what it's supposed to look like. It's supposed to look like the It from the It movie. Bloody. But it's not. But I'll taste it. It's good. Strawberry. Well, that went totally wrong. So we'll see you at home and we'll have a talk about this. Okay, Noah's looks better. It actually looks a little bit like what it's supposed to be, but not quite. But it was a little bit of a bust. So I'm going to take off my coat and get comfortable and be right with you. Alright everyone, I'm back. I'm back. I just wanted to show you again, like we're talking about, this is supposed to be the It Frappuccino. I ordered it the right way. I said a vanilla bean with strawberry puree. I even showed them what it was supposed to look like. But their execution, I don't get it. Maybe here in Connecticut they don't know how to make them. I don't know. But it's okay. It tastes like strawberry because of vanilla. I showed you a clip. My son's looks a little bit like it. I'm a little bit disappointed on it. Wanted to show you a cool It Frappuccino on the secret menu today for Vlogoween, and I came up with this. So, and the good thing was it was buy one get one free, so I only paid $5. But next time I'll go to a different Starbucks and try to get the secret menu item, whatever that is. I think the next Frappuccino I get will be pumpkin, the fall flavors, versus I'm not a big strawberry fan. I was just getting it because it was looked like the It from the It movie, but I just don't have much for today for this vlog. We could just chit chat and talk a little bit about what I'm going to be doing. I think I'm going to try to get out this weekend to film some spooky, cool videos for you. I looked up, and believe it or not, Connecticut has a lot of cool places to go to for paranormal. So I was thinking of going to a couple cemeteries and some other places. So believe it or not, when you look up, Connecticut has a lot of paranormal stuff going on here. But I just hope everybody's having their good day today. It's fairly cold here in Connecticut. It's gotten down in the 50s, early 60s, 60 degree mark, but in the morning it's like 50s. It's like cold. You can tell I'm wearing my sweater, but not too bad. And next time I'll, when I do vlog for a Starbucks drink, it's going to be probably a different kind. It's all in all not bad. It's just, like I said, I know I could have them redo it again, but it was so busy, and I'm not the type to put up a fuss, to make a fuss about things, especially drinks. So I was long line wrapped because of the buy one get one, and so I didn't even bother. But that's all I have. It is really gloomy out there today. Looks like it's gonna rain again. I'm supposed to be going out and doing some shopping and stuff and go to the bank and everything, but I'm not positive if I'm gonna do that or not. Once I get home, it's like I don't want to go back out. I had the good intentions on going back out, but so this is it for my Vlogoween today. So I do have a few things lined up for Vlogoween. Yeah, I just thought that this would be so cool. I tried. I tried, but I really want to get out there this weekend and go somewhere, and I want to start doing the spare box. I got it in March, I think, or something, May maybe. I want to learn how to do that, use it. I really don't want to use it inside the house, just because I don't want anything crazy happening here. I really want to use it outside, but this weather is like rain, like all week was raining, and I'm just hoping maybe this weekend will dry up and have some good weather. So we shall see. But thank you all for being here with me and So sorry that the It Frappuccino didn't pan out. So I promise the next Vlogoween will be better. If this is a little boring, I'm sorry. I thought this would be a good one, but I wanted to still film it for you and tell you my thoughts on what happened and what your thoughts. I mean, I did show him a picture. But definitely really not my cup of tea. So, Noah likes it. Noah, be my guest. He can have my Frappuccino. I'm not really a fan of that. But, next one, I'll get my kind. I'm more of a chocolatey, like the Java chip. Comment below, what's your favorite Frappuccino? You know, I did try the gingerbread. I like the s'mores one. Java chip. What else? I'm trying to think of what else ones they have. Yeah. I'm very more of a chocolate fan. I believe I do like the pumpkin. I think they have a pumpkin one. So, definitely have to try that. So, everyone, with that said, thank you for being here, for supporting my channel. And if you haven't already, subscribe, hit that little bell for the notifications, and hit the like button. Don't forget that. And have an awesome, awesome night. Love you.